Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to talk about the Diamond Art Club unboxings I do and the best way to view them. Okay, so now I'm on the Diamond Painting Gym YouTube channel and I'm just going to pick a Diamond Art Club unboxing at random. So we'll pick, say, this one. And I'll pause it. So typically with the Diamond Art Club unboxings, they do last about an hour. And every now and then I get a comment saying an hour for an unboxing, really? The thing is, the unboxing is aimed at everybody from the absolute beginner. So I go through everything to do with Diamond Art Club because they are different from the other companies. So if you know about Diamond Art Club, there is a lot in the video that you don't want to watch. So if you pause the video as soon as it starts, like I just did, and then you go to more in the description, it'll tell you everything about the actual canvas. But if you go down a bit, it's broken into chapters. So let's say you've been diamond painting for a long time and you've been doing Diamond Art Club kits for a long time. So you know everything about them. The only thing that you will be interested in for sure is the canvas. So all you have to do is look down the list, find canvas, tap on that, and then we go straight to the canvas. And that is basically how you work it. If you're new to diamond painting, there's maybe things that you don't know, like we'll say fairy dust drills. You don't know what they are. You've maybe heard of them, but you don't know what they are. Tap on that, it takes you to the section where I talk about fairy dust. And this, for me, is the way that people should be working it. Rather than looking at it and saying, this video is an hour long, I don't have time to watch that, which nobody does. That isn't the point. The point is, it's broken into sections. You look down the list, you find the one that's interesting to you, and you click on it, or the two, or the three, or whatever. Some people might be interested in the close-up look, so we'll go to that. We've just saved ourselves an hour. So we can get a better idea of how the whole image is put together and a better idea of what it is going to look like to work on. So I'm going to set up, I'll get the camera a lot closer and we can have a look. So I started there because it's explaining why I'm doing this close-up rather than just straight into the close-up. So when people look at it, they understand what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So it's just like I said, every now and again, I see a comment saying an hour long, I don't have time for this. All you have to do is pause it, look at the sections that you are interested in and you do have the time for, and then just click on them. And that's it. So hopefully this short video has helped to explain why the videos are so long and the best way to navigate the video for yourself. We have people of all different levels, some who have just started diamond painting and they don't know anything about fairy dust, ABs, they don't know about the 6000 series drills, they don't know about licensing. So they will look at different sections. People who are experienced and know about Diamond Art Club will probably jump straight to the canvas, which is the main thing. So hopefully this has helped people and you don't spend so much time wasting so much time looking at stuff that you're not interested in. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.